I am Ashwarya Upadhyay from the Dhanbad Resistance, and we are here to witness the 33rd death anniversary of late Suryadev Singh. So let's meet the family members and let's know what is going on over here on this occasion. So please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Siddharth Gautam and I'm son of Suryadev Singh, and currently I'm the General Secretary of my organization, that is Janta Mazdoor Sangh. This union was established by Suryadev Singh himself only, and right now I am the General Secretary of this union, and the purpose of this union is to work for the welfare of coal workers, and I am a JVCCI member also, and we have been working for the welfare of laborers since 1977. This union was formed in 1977. It's been 45 years since the establishment of this union, and it was basically it was formed to look after the grievances and the genuine needs of the workers. This is what it is all about.
Okay, sir. So how did you adapt his legacy, sir, and how are you thinking to continue this further?
See, right now we have not yet, we are yet to adapt his legacy. We have not yet adapted his legacy because his legacy cannot be described in words.
We all know that.
Yeah, and his personality was larger than life. So we are trying, and we are trying our level best. But let's see where do we reach. And I think that a leader of his capability and caliber I have not seen in my life, not because he is my father, but as a neutral person, if we talk about him, he was an exceptional human being, and he was very much you can say devoted to his people, towards his work, and he was referred by the name of Mazdoor Masiha.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this title was given to him by people of Dhanbad. So it is a saying. I have also heard. I was practically not there. I was 5.5 years when he left us. So I've heard his stories from people. So it is said that whoever came to him for any sort of help was never refused, and was never and never went his doorstep empty-handed. So this is all about.
Okay, sir. So can I ask one question from you, sir?
Yeah,
about
sure.
you.
Yeah, sure.
सर सो वी ऑल नो कि हमारा इंटरेस्ट अलग अलग फील्ड्स में होता है, ठीक है? तो आपका जो इस चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट आया, जो लेगेसी कंटिन्यू हो रहा है इस फैमिली से, तो ये आपके अंदर इनबिल्ट था या टाइम बीतते बीतते आया?
नहीं, इनबिल्ट कह सकते हैं। अब आपने एक कहावत सुनी होगी कि शेर के बच्चे को शिकार करना और मछली के बच्चे को तैरना सिखाया नहीं जाता है। तो अगर शेर का बच्चा अगर हो रहा है तो कितना ही होगा, तो वो शिकार उसका नेचुरल इंस्टिंक्ट होता है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
और मछली का बच्चा होता है तो वो पानी में जैसे ही वो आता है तो वो तैरना शुरू कर देता है। तो कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हम लोगों को सिखाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, वो हमारे अंदर है, हमारे खून में ये सारी चीज़ें हैं। हाँ, ये चीज़ ज़रूर है कि उस समय की राजनीति और अभी की राजनीति में बहुत अंतर आ गया है। तो हम लोग प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि उस समय की राजनीति और अभी की जो राजनीति है उसमें एक सामंजस्य बिठा करके हम लोग आगे बढ़ सकें।
जी, थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सो मच।